Imagine a world where water level measurements are inaccurate, leading to inefficient water management and, in worst cases, disastrous flooding. This is a common problem in the field of water level measurements, a challenge that engineers grapple with daily. Inaccurate data can have dire consequences, from wasted resources to catastrophic miscalculations that could lead to flooding. But what if there was a way to ensure precision and accuracy in water level measurements? Enter TerraTransfer. TerraTransfer is a game changer in the field of water level measurements. Our revolutionary water level data logger, the Aquatos Web, is a masterstroke in addressing the challenges we discussed earlier. This innovative device is seamlessly installed and maintained by our team of seasoned experts, providing a full-service experience. Imagine a world where water level measurements are no longer a guessing game, but a precise science. That's the world we're building at TerraTransfer. With TerraTransfer, you can bid adieu to inaccurate water level measurements. You might wonder, how difficult is it to install and maintain these devices? Well, with TerraTransfer, it's a breeze. Our devices are designed for straightforward installation, and you'll find their upkeep equally simple. But what if you need a hand? We've got you covered. Our expert team is always ready to assist, ensuring you get the most out of your water level data loggers. And with our comprehensive service, you'll never feel left in the lurch. With TerraTransfer, installation and maintenance are as easy as pie. So what does the future hold for water level measurements? As technology advances, we can expect more precise and efficient tools. Imagine devices that can provide real-time data and predict future water levels with unprecedented accuracy. The role of TerraTransfer to be at the forefront of these innovations, shaping the industry's future. Our team of experts is already working tirelessly to bring these visions to life. With TerraTransfer, the future of water level measurements is not only secure, but also promising.